Bluetooth is by far deemed the best-selling wireless technology in the world nowadays. Apparently, the latest Bluetooth technology makes modern life a lot easier. With the incessant rollout of modern smartphones having Bluetooth features, sharing files between devices is just as simple as pairing them. But despite the contemporary Bluetooth mechanics, there are still some instances where you wouldn't be able to pair your devices. In this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 13 that won't pair with Bluetooth devices. First solution, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. The first thing you have to check is the Bluetooth service on your iPhone. You simply have to make sure it's enabled or try having to disable it for a few seconds and then enable it back. Here's how you do that. On your iPhone, pull down the control center. Tap the Bluetooth icon to enable it. If it's already enabled, try disabling it for a few seconds, and then enable Bluetooth back. If you've already paired your devices, your iPhone will automatically connect to the Bluetooth accessories. If this doesn't fix the problem, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, restart your devices. The next thing you have to do is to refresh the memories of your devices. It's probably just a minor glitch and a simple reboot will fix it. Turn your Bluetooth device off, and then turn it back on. Quickly press and release the volume up, and then the volume down button. Immediately after releasing it, press and hold the power key for at least 8 seconds. Wait for a little bit for the device to power up. When the Apple logo appears, release the power button and allow your iPhone 13 to continue the boot process. After the reboot, try to pair or connect your iPhone 13 to your Bluetooth devices. If this doesn't work, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, delete the current Bluetooth connection. This procedure is only applicable if you're already paired your Bluetooth accessory to your iPhone at least one time, because if you haven't paired them yet, then this won't work. Here's what you should do. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth. Tap the info icon next to your Bluetooth device. Tap Forget this device, and tap Forget device at the bottom of the screen to confirm. Disable Bluetooth for a few seconds, and then enable it back. Now put your Bluetooth headset in pairing mode, and try to pair it with your iPhone. Most of the time, this will be enough to fix a minor Bluetooth issue with your iPhone. However, if this doesn't fix the problem, then move on to the next solution. Fourth solution, reset the network settings. A network settings reset will be effective in fixing Bluetooth issues like this, provided that the problem is with your iPhone 13 and not with your Bluetooth speaker or headset. This will delete all wireless connections on your iPhone including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Aside from that, it will also bring all network settings back to their factory defaults. Here's how it's done. Launch the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen to reveal all the options. Tap the Reset Network Settings option and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen to confirm network settings reset. Once the network settings reset is finished, your iPhone 13 will reboot, but after that, it should be able to connect to your Bluetooth headset or speaker. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling the notifications. Thanks for watching.